up, my friends? I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Besides bringing us snow and cold temperatures, winter also comes with colds and flus. As much as chicken noodle soup might help, many times we may also need syrup and other medications. There's a hot cocktail that I make us drink when one of us gets sick, and, in my opinion, it helps get rid of it faster. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Hot Toddy. Also known as hot whiskey, this is perfect for the cold and flu season. With honey, orange, lemon, cinnamon, and obviously whiskey, this hot drink is sure to numb the symptoms. So my friends, let's get mixing.
Not feeling good? There's a way. We'll pour in boiling water in a tall glass or a large mug. To this, we'll add a couple ounces of whiskey, then freshly squeezed lemon juice. And do yourself a favor, leave some headspace. I had to take a big sip during the filming because I poured in too much water at first. Alright, let's keep going. We'll also add a generous tablespoon of honey, which can be substituted with agave nectar. And don't forget to use my trick when dealing with sticky ingredients by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll stir until the honey is completely dissolved before adding a cinnamon stick and garnishing with a slice of orange or lemon, your choice. And my friends, this is our Hot Toddy. Super quick and easy to make, this hot beverage is perfect to sip during the cold months. With fruits, honey, cinnamon stick, alcohol, and boiling water, I'm sure this drink will help a little. This is a great recipe to have on hand this winter. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!